Yara?
Yeah, Yara. I almost died to that's Yara.
Oh, I want the monster chocolates.
Look, that's Yara.
Damn, Yara. Why did you take it? I deserved it.
I need some.
I'm the one who played this game first.
Like to finish the machine?
Yes.
I see another machine.
Huh?
I'm about to finish.
I like finish one machine or two machine? I don't know. Oh wait, I only did one.
Did you just die?
To do. That's why I wanted that. Man. Well, I need to watch you now.
Guys,
For Goob, he grabbed me.
these people are bots. No, we were doing me and you on. I did not see you. Should I just die?
Oh, you want to?
No.
Okay. The last machine is right there.
I need to try to get Danny.
It's Danny, not I was about to he was right there. Oh, add 5 seconds to the elevator panic. Wait, what's it on? Oh, I'm ready, ready.
Where?
Oh my god. Wait, I want to see how much time I recorded. Oh, it's 37. I need to end it.
37 minutes?
Yeah, because that's too long.
No, finish the run.
No, it does. When it's too long, it won't. Wait, Ashley? Since I do not have it in private, maybe I can do it long. So never mind.